YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and today I'm here with an exciting video which I think a lot of you will like. I'm going to be making, probably as what you've seen in the title, a throwing knife. So anyways, this is just some 1/8 inch plate steel I got going on, just a few drawings and stuff that you're going to see me cut out, drill, make all pretty. Other than that, let's get into it. But it will stay on. I would normally, you should always step it up, going at it all at once, as long as I go slow, nice low speed, and we're good to go. Except future me here from the future, I mean, figure this out or not. Yeah, turns out going at drilling this one shot, bad idea. So let's go back to a center drill from my lathe, drill it first with that, and then see if we can step it up. Yeah? Alright, let's go back to it. With trying to drill that hole after a very long time. So now I'm just going to take the angle grinder, cut it out, cut out a square, come back, cut off the angles, some angle grinder finishes on it. Not sure, we'll have to see. Alright, and that, let's get to it. Oops. Pointed. Sticking deep too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell to get the latest updates. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share to all your friends who you think might enjoy this video on my throwing knife, and make sure to comment down below for future video ideas. Anything you want to make, doesn't hurt to suggest. Other than that, have a great day guys, and thank you for watching.